In this video, we're going to show you how to sync Folk CRM with QuickBooks step by step. If you're wondering how this powerful integration can streamline your workflow, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make the most of Folk CRM and QuickBooks working together. But before we dive in, let me tell you that you can access this software completely free with some exclusive bonuses through the first link in the description below. So if you haven't already, click that link to grab your extended free trial and start maximizing your business potential today. Let's start with a quick overview of Folk CRM. Folk is a customer relationship management tool that's designed to help you build strong relationships and manage your contacts effortlessly. It's not just a CRM, it's a tool that helps you track interactions, gather detailed insights about your contacts, and manage workflows efficiently. Now, adding QuickBooks into the mix helps automate your financial processes, track expenses, invoices, and revenue seamlessly. The integration between Folk CRM and QuickBooks is a game changer for businesses looking to keep both their customer relationships and financials in check. So how do you sync Folk CRM with QuickBooks? First, you'll need to connect the two apps. In Folk CRM, navigate to the settings menu and select Integrations. There you'll find the QuickBooks integration option. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to sign into your QuickBooks account. Make sure you're signed into the QuickBooks account that you want to sync with Folk CRM. Once signed in, Folk CRM will ask for permissions to access your QuickBooks data. Click Allow Access to grant permission for the sync process to begin. This is a one-time setup, so after it's done, you won't need to repeat the process. After the sync is complete, your contacts from Folk CRM will be available in QuickBooks, allowing you to track and manage customer transactions directly from QuickBooks. You'll also be able to create invoices based on the customer data within Folk, ensuring that everything flows seamlessly. What makes this integration so useful is how it reduces manual data entry. As new clients or contacts are added in Folk, they automatically populate in QuickBooks, so there's no need to enter the same information twice. This saves a ton of time and eliminates the potential for human error. The other benefit is that Folk's CRM capabilities provide rich customer insights, which you can leverage when sending invoices and processing payments through QuickBooks. This makes it easier to manage billing cycles, track overdue invoices, and even apply discounts, all while keeping your customer data in one place. Now, if you're wondering how to set up custom workflows, Folk CRM offers that too. Once synced with QuickBooks, you can create automated workflows that trigger financial actions based on customer activity. For example, if a contact in Folk reaches a certain milestone, like a purchase, you can set up an automatic invoice generation in QuickBooks, ensuring that no opportunity is missed. Additionally, with QuickBooks, you'll be able to generate detailed financial reports and link them directly to your contacts in Folk CRM. This gives you a clear picture of not just your customer relationships, but also your business's financial health. Now, as promised, I'll mention again that you can start using Folk CRM and QuickBooks integration completely free. The link in the description will give you access to an exclusive, extended free trial. Trust me, this integration will not only save you time, but will also help you run a more efficient business. Remember, syncing Folk CRM with QuickBooks is incredibly easy, and once it's done, you'll have a seamless connection that automates your customer and financial management tasks. Don't forget to grab your extended free trial using the link below and see for yourself how this integration can transform your workflow.